Today I'm going to be making a really yummy Nutella cheesecake frosting, and here are the ingredients that we need. 2 cups of icing sugar, 1 standard package of cream cheese, and 3/4 of a cup of Nutella. 3 simple ingredients, so let's get started. For my first step, I'm going to get my cream cheese, which is at room temperature, into my large bowl. And this here is about 9 ounces of cream cheese. This is 250 grams. For my first step, I just want to cream this up a little bit before we start adding our other ingredients. So once that's mixed up, on to our next step. And then I'm going to get in all of our Nutella, and that is 3/4 of a cup. That is equal to exactly 210 grams. I actually weighed this out. 210 grams. So we'll get all of that in there. Oh, that smells really good. That's good. Then what we'll do, we're just going to mix this together before we add in our powdered sugar. So this is a really simple recipe, and it makes a really nice frosting. Alright, and then we're going to sift in all of our powdered sugar. So with a sieve, I'm going to sift in all of our powdered sugar. And as we know, powdered sugar has 3 different names: powdered sugar, icing sugar, or confectioner sugar. So 3 different names, but it's all the same sugar. So we'll just sift all of this in. And then for the rest, since it's white, we can just use our fingers and just push all of that through. Little shake, and there we go. We'll grab our mixer one last time. Speed number 1. You don't want to have a huge dust cloud with sugar flying all over the place. And now we're just going to slowly mix all of this in. Just like that. So once everything's well mixed, I'm just going to speed up my mixer just to get a little bit more air into our mixture. That's about 30 seconds of mixing. And there we have our really nice frosting. So let's see what this looks like. Check this out. Look how nice that is. I want you to place this into your fridge and just chill this a little bit. And that's what I'm going to do now, but I'm going to have to try a little bit just to see. I have to test it. Oh, that is good. That Nutella and the tang from the cream cheese, oh, so good. So I'm going to pop this into the fridge because I do want to show you the texture of this and how firm it becomes after it's been chilled. So here we are again. This is about a half an hour later, and I want to show you how firm this has become. Hopefully the camera can pick this up. This is a little bit too firm at this moment to be using as a frosting, but you can see how firm that this is. And this is perfect for frosting inside a cake or on top of a cake. Now if I took my mixer and I started mixing this up, we'll see what happens. I'll grab my mixer. We'll just get this mixed up a little bit. And let's check it out again. So you can see just by mixing it, I have really moved everything around, mixed it up well, and now you can see you are ready to frost the cake. And this here is really good. Look at that. And it's perfect. So that's it. I'm going to end the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. This is a really fun one to make. I hope you do try it at home. That's it for today. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. That's it, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far,
Thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.